are going to learn is that is a SQL Select Statement. Okay. So guys, keep in mind, for example, this is a table. So they have given you guys a dummy database that we can able to practice against that database. I mean, I already told you that to develop the database, to store those data initially, that is not our responsibility. Okay. So therefore, I directly jumping into that. Only difference is when we are practically working in a companies, there is a one tool that is known as Oracle SQL Developer tool is there that is used to connect to the database. We have to give the server IP address and then username and password. It will connect to the database. Only that thing is different. Other than that, everything will be same. Okay. So for example, guys, this is one table and the name of this table is customers. Okay. So now two things in this SQL statement is very much important. Number one, the table name, and after that, the column name of the table. Okay. The table name is customers and the column names that are the data inside the table is this customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country. So keep in mind, guys, whenever you guys have to write the SQL query, SQL code, so two things is very much important for you. Number one, table name. Number second, column names. Okay, all your queries will be circle around on these two things, table name and column name. Make sense?